Hi, I'm Kierin Barnard from Mecad Systems, and in this Mecad Minute, I'm going to take you through how to create batch PDFs from your Solidworks drawing files. First we're going to do is look at our task manager or our search bar and say task. Now you'll see Solidworks task scheduler is the first option. On once double clicking, your Solidworks task scheduler will open. From here, you'll see there are various options such as convert files, upgrade assistance allows us to upgrade and roll back. In this one way, we can upgrade files, upgrade associated files, and many more features. From here, we're going to look at the export option. We're going to then just give our task title convert to PDF, just giving it a description. And we are going to now under our export file type, so we're going to turn our files into PDF. You can see here though that you have various options that you can change. So you can batch create DXFs, DWGs, and it will save you a lot of time as this can be scheduled outside work hours and it can run. So let's go ahead and select PDF. From here we now have the option of selecting a singular file, or what we can do is add a folder. So I'm going to go ahead and add a folder. From here I'm just going to select my folder, and now you'll see it's giving me a file type. If I want to convert my parts to PDFs, I would select the first option. If I want to select my assemblies, the second option, and if I want to select my drawing, the third option. Alternatively, I can select the fourth option and it gives me access. It will actually create everything to PDF. So for now, we just want our drawings. And what we can go ahead and do is choose, would we like to run it daily, weekly, or monthly. So we're going to just run it off once. And what we can do here is set our times to, for example, work outside hours and maybe on a weekly basis where we actually create our PDFs. So because we would like to run it now, I'm just going to say finish. Now what you will notice is in the background, Solidworks will be opening up and closing, and nothing is required from the user, just simply the computer just needs to be on. Okay. From here we can also just see our status. So as you'll see, it's still busy scheduled, and you'll see Solidworks is opening the drawing and creating it in the background. So let's just give it a few moments for it to create it. I can now go ahead and just maybe click refresh just to see how far my steps are, and you'll see it is completed. So from here I can then just go to the folder in question and now notice that there are now PDFs. If you require any more information about how Task Schedule works or what else the capabilities are, please feel free to contact us at support@mecad.co.za.